Okay, let's talk about imperialism. So this is something we know. We just talked about in our class about American imperialism, how we wanted to expand the awesomeness out of this region and share it with the rest of the world. So we fought Spain over here, and we started getting lands. We got the Philippines all the way down here, but we started to grow. So imperialism is the desire to conquer countries. What that means is get new territory. The purpose of imperialism was and is to build up national wealth and influence by owning colonies. So just like America was a colony to England, these European powers started putting colonies around the world. And if you remember, basically those colonies are tied to the mother country. These countries like in Africa and parts of Asia, and Central South America, didn't have a lot of wealth, and these European powers would exploit them. They would get all their resources and take it back and make their own country wealthy. So if you look at this map, let's do question number 7. Which two countries had the largest colonial territories? And I gave you a hint. Which two colors make up most of the world map? So if you look at this, what color jumps out at you? Okay, I hope it's red for the first. And what other color seems to be most spread out on the map? Here and here, that's Vietnam, Madagascar, a lot of Africa. It's blue. So the red is the British Empire, which includes Canada and Australia, but also India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, big chunks of Africa, Egypt, South Africa. And then blue, the French. The French controlled much of Western and North Central Africa, as well as Madagascar and Vietnam, Southeast Asia. So what happened is the other countries, remember, Britain and France are fighting together. Both France and Britain have many colonies in Africa and Asia, but Germany and Italy, they wanted to get into the colonial game. They decided they wanted an empire to make lots of wealth for their countries too. But not a lot of yellow spread around. Maybe some parts of Africa and a little bit of gray. So Germany was able to take some pieces of Africa and Southeast Asia. But imperialism led to a lot of competition for resources. And I think Germany and Italy especially were jealous of the control that France and England had over many parts of the world. The colonies made France and England a lot of money, and Germany and Italy wanted to get in on that game. So that should help you answer questions 7 and 8. If you're still confused, just raise your hand. Ask me or one of the other folks in the room, okay?